So you want to wrap a body of text around your image. Instead of doing the normal text box with your text tool, that you select your text tool and you click and drag, we don't want to do this. What we can do is to first of all create our guides, because we need these guides for that body of text. So you can go to view, go to guides, go to new guide layout, and then you can choose the kind of guides you want, or you can follow what is on the screen. So I used 100 pixels margin, and then 2 columns, 2 rows, and click OK. So now, if you don't have your rulers activated in your Photoshop, you can just press Ctrl arrow. So that just removed mine. Ctrl arrow to activate it again. So you can drag in another ruler to where you want to start and end your text. So I would like to end the text around here. The next thing we're going to do is to select the pen tool. So you come down here and you click the pen tool, and then you start from this line. You start following the edge of whatever image you have. So you don't have to be very accurate with this though, but just follow it as much as you can. So you can stop at the bottom line, hold shift and click this point so that it gives you a straight line. Then do the same for the vertical line and do the same for this line. So once you've done that, the next thing you can do is to go to your text tool and then click inside the path you've just created. So now you can now see. So this just added this lorem ipsum dummy text. So all you have to do is to just type in your text and it's going to follow the outline. So, but I don't have any text to add at the moment, so I'll just go to type and paste lorem ipsum. So if you turn that off, you can now see that it's following the alignment. So you can choose to change your paragraph alignment. If you use something like this, I think this looks better. So you can now see. So let me turn off the smart guides by doing Control semicolon. So you can now see that you can create something like this in Photoshop. See you in the next tutorial.